Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to easily post anonymously on a Facebook group. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Facebook app. Once you're in, tap on the menu icon and select Groups. Now, choose the group in which you'd like to make an anonymous post. Typically, when we post in a group, everyone can see our avatar and name. However, in some groups, you have the option to post anonymously if the admins have enabled this feature. If you see a button that says Anonymous Post, go ahead and tap on it. A pop-up will explain what anonymous posts are all about. They don't include your name or profile photo, but keep in mind that admins, moderators, and the Facebook system can still see your details. Now, you'll reach the point where you can write your post. Enter your text, attach any photos you want, and before hitting share, make sure to turn on the Post Anonymously toggle. Confirm with Got It, and then proceed to share your post by tapping on Post. And there you have it, folks, a quick guide on how to post anonymously in a Facebook group. Remember, this feature may vary depending on the group settings, so keep an eye out for that anonymous post option. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.